Hey boaters, if you're looking for that perfect tri-tune with the 150, check out this 2023 Premier 230 Sunsation that we just took in on trade. Has a Yamaha 150 with the turbo swing bar on the back. Nice deck space to jump off if you're at the sandbar. We have the old style changing room in here. This is a fan favorite for people with young ones, or if you want to use that for storage. Huge storage space on this side here. So this is the RE layout where this is going to be open, and you have a really nice L-shaped lounger here. Dale audio with RGB lighting. Even have a wireless phone charger. Perfect spot for your phone right there. Hummingbird raised helm, courtesy lighting. So here's that RGB where you can switch colors. This is a fan favorite for little kids, or if you want the party lights. Trash bin right here. Nice convenient spot to get in and out of. Nice loungers in the front. Also love this slate teak flooring, super low maintenance, easy to clean. Again, this is a tri-tune 23 feet with a 150. Come check it out at MarineMax Nisswa.